Hi Leanne, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
You've come all the way from England to see us.
Yeah, I have, yeah.
Yeah, and you have got a sample pot in England from your mum, and are you now in Australia?
We're in Australia now, yeah. So when I come back over, I got another 4 tins because it's been marvellous stuff. Nothing's ever shifted the problems that I've had with my skin other than the Queen Bee, the rapid repair. Absolutely brilliant stuff.
Do you know what the problem is that is with your skin?
So I've got Dariers disease, and there's only one in ever so many thousand people that get it. And it's problems where obviously your skin can break out at any time, cracks in the skin, in the feet and in the hands. But as soon as I put the rapid bee on, it seems to heal them in no time whatsoever.
Oh, that's so wonderful. Thank you so much.
No problem at all.